Hello and welcome to the store. Let me take you for a quick tour. Over here I've got my range of trophies and new standing shields that are going well. I've got my light up trophies down here, all my first wave range, the new perpetual that I'm bringing up, which is made of solid timber. I'm making CubeSats for space ops, going into space. I've got, like I said, my standing shields and all my first wave range. Regular sort of trophies that you can get for golf, school sports and dance, crystal. I've got cups and examples of engraving, sublimation, different sorts of panels that I make, a range of metals, ribbons, some more put together trophies over here. I have a Trotec Speedy 300 laser. This is a large format, 800 by 500, so I can do large labels. I have my design suites here. Another Trotec laser over here, and this one's been cutting some boxes. So if you have a look in here, that's a box format that's been cut inside. There's a video about these boxes. I have my ribbon cutting machine, which is homemade by me. It's a little Arduino in there, a little laser. My ribbon printing machines. We've got our education awards going out tomorrow. We're getting ready for school trophies for St. Joseph's. Here's those boxes that machine is cutting out, based on this sort of design, which is a box without any glue. It's very strong and there's no glue. And if you're a teacher, by all means, drop in, get your free ribbon pack. This is a range of ribbons that we've got that have things to inspire people. I'm proud of you. Thank you. Most improved. Wow. Good job. Have a great day. Most outstanding. And many other things. If you've got any ideas, just send them through. Thanks for watching.